Real Madrid Club de Fútbol, also known as Los Blancos, is an institution in the world of football. Located in Madrid, Spain, and playing its home games at the Santiago Bernabéu Stadium, this club's fame and history stretch back to its foundation on March 6, 1902. Recognized for its distinctive all-white home kits, which give the team its nicknames Los Blancos and La Casablanca, Real Madrid has carved its place as one of the most successful football clubs ever. Their emblem, featuring a crown granted by King Alfonso XIII, alongside the initials MCF for Madrid Club de Fútbol, stands as a symbol of that legacy. The club's prowess is evident in its record achievement of 35 La Liga titles, over 20 Copa del Rey victories, and a remarkable 14 UEFA Champions League trophies. Among its memorable eras is the Galácticos era. In the early 2000s, Real Madrid attracted some of the biggest stars in world football, such as Zinedine Zidane, Luis Figo, David Beckham, and Ronaldo Nazario. The narrative continued with the Cristiano Ronaldo era, during which the club achieved enormous success, including 4 Champions League titles in 5 years. Real Madrid's rivalries are the stuff of legend, especially El Clásico against FC Barcelona, recognized worldwide as one of the most intense football showdowns, and the Madrid Derby against Atletico Madrid. In recent times, under the leadership of Carlo Ancelotti, Real Madrid's 2024-2025 season has witnessed significant success. Sitting in second place in La Liga with 20 wins, 6 draws and 5 losses, they've accumulated 64 goals. Kylian Mbappé leads this charge with 33 goals across all contests. Despite a 4-game goal drought, his performance continues to dominate. Their Champions League journey saw them advance to the quarterfinals, only to be knocked out by Arsenal in a close encounter. This season also saw the club lifting the UEFA Super Cup with a splendid victory over Atlanta, and the Intercontinental Cup by defeating Pachuca. Men like Vinicius Jr., Rodrigo, Jude Bellingham, and Thibaut Courtois have been standout performers. Courtois, with his 13 clean sheets, stands tall in goal. Jude Bellingham's milestone of equaling Iker Casillas' record for Champions League appearances at a young age further underscores the vibrant future that lies ahead for the club. Although Real Madrid fell short in some competitions like the FIFA Club World Cup, the overall performance serves as a testament to their enduring legacy and resilience. As they continue to forge their path, Real Madrid stands as an emblem of tactical brilliance, star power, and an unwavering quest for glory in the world of football.